So it's like just me being me. No, it's not. Going in the waiting era, product of this 80s clout. Every day we talk about life, there's no doubt. The stress of life that we do is just another test. Like I just took a test, like another test. Another day, no stress, trying to be me. A real life, love me, like a G. Top 10, top 9, never define. My life, always on the grind. Come to school just to get an education, but I go to the block to see the defamation that we live in the life of the stress every day that we live through. Man, the test, but I won't stress. I won't fall to the top. I won't go back to the block. I will just strive to the press just to be me. Wear my backpack and my Slippy Earl just to be me. You see me, a real G, and anybody know me. This ain't me, but maybe me just looking in the mirror myself. Reflection of the test, just another day. So, when I face my challenges, going outside, streets, these challenges. Baltimore City, just my challenges. Trying to maintain my challenges. Maybe physically or mentally, it doesn't matter. Okay, like this, man.